Welcome to Fire Meeting's product demo. We're going to show some updates today. And we're going to start by going to Tools and then Add-ons and start our Fire Meetings add-on, which you can install from Google Marketplace. As you can see, it's just tracking me right now as the only individual in the meeting. We can also look at time burn, and you can see one participant here. And then from here, we can go ahead and show this on the main stage. There we go. So we can show on the main stage as well as side stage. You can choose. As you can see, it's ticking up by 2 seconds now that Zach, my co-founder, has joined us. Hello, Zach.
Hello.
And then you can also see our burn based off of the salaries we set, or 100K default if salaries weren't set. We're just going to go look at our dashboard now. And so here, as an owner of Fire Meetings Org, inside the dashboard, I can see our company's weekly totals, averages, and then also monthly averages and totals. Same thing for specific metrics that we find valuable to watch in terms of meeting metrics and tracking, optimizing meetings. Next, we got reporting analytics tool, and you can look at any specific user, internal or external. We actually have external tracking on, and so you can actually look at this from internal only or both, or external only, and see the difference there. It's a little delayed. So then you can see the number of meetings for external only, and then you can see the meetings for internal. We can also export these as a PDF or CSV if we wanted to. So, for example, we can come back to that once it's ready. This is the meeting we're currently in, in meeting history. You can see we're live currently. And they'll say live till we leave. You can see we had another attempt, and then let's look at a meeting that we actually uploaded. I see the meeting report is done. Let's go ahead and save that. Takes 15 seconds or so. So from a previous meeting, you can see transcripts, and here's one of 3 of us. You can see our speak time, amount of sharing time and number of times we started speaking, as well as active versus passive participants. For silent listeners, and then also see AI summary and action items. On that note, we have a page now that shows some insights and observations we're starting to track on meeting timeliness, scheduled versus actual time, and sort of active participant trend, which ideally you want most of the meeting participants to be active. And last, employee collaboration graph, just the 3 of us for the last 30 days. Next, settings and salaries, where you can kind of set specific salaries for any of your internal or external if you're tracking them. But you can also set a default from company settings here. Right now it says 100K. You can also track or not track external participants, and you can display burn in dollars, specific dollars, or a flame icon. So that's pretty much sums it up, I think. Thanks for taking a look.